Hello everyone, my name is Mukulanand Jha, MTech first year student at NIT Jalandhar. Today I am presenting my project on Bluetooth RoboCar which I made under supervision of Dr. Kapil Kumar Goel. First of all, I am introducing material used in this project. So first thing that I purchased from Electronics Com is this Robo Chassis which consists of two wheels and two DC motors and this one rotating wheel. So second thing is LN290 L298 motor driver which drives the motors, two DC motors. Third thing is Bluetooth module HC05. Fourth is Arduino Uno R3. So these are the four components that I used in this project. Now coming to the assembly part, these two DC motors, the two wires coming from these DC motors are connected to L298 motor driver. Motor A is connected this side of L298 motor driver and motor B is connected to these two output ports. Next thing is there are three ports which are first we can see it is 12 volt input, second is 5 volt and middle one is ground pin. So 12 volt is connected to battery 12 volt 12 battery positive end, ground is connected to battery negative end and 5 volt is connected to Arduino Uno 5 volt pin, and these four pins are connected to Arduino uh, digital output pins 9, 10, 11, 12. These four pins are used to give DC motors instruction to rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise, or move forward or backward, or only one wheel is rotated. So these four pins are used for that purpose. Now next thing is connection of Bluetooth HC05 with Arduino. There are four pins we can see: RX, TX, ground and 5 volt. So RX of Bluetooth is connected to TX of Arduino and TX of Bluetooth is connected to RX of Arduino. Ground is connected to ground of Arduino. 5 volt is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. So in this way Bluetooth is connected with Arduino, and that's all. The assembly part is, as we have seen there, 12 volt is required to connect with this L298 motor driver. So 12 volt battery was not available in market, so I have made myself this 12 volt by connecting 1.5 volt 8 batteries in series, and now I am going to connect it with this RoboCar and going to show the demonstration video. For operating this this RoboCar, I have made a Bluetooth app at MIT Inventor app. So I am going to show you on website of MIT Inventor how I made that app. Now I am showing you the MIT Inventor app which I have made on Google, MIT Inventor website. So first go to Google and write MIT App Inventor. The first window that is showing here, click on first link. Now here click on create apps. Now I have logged in with my email ID, so it is showing here my email ID. It is showing here my email ID, and this is the mobile view of this app. Disconnected Bluetooth, forward, backward, right, left buttons, and you can see the coding. You can see the coding here that this is the coding part, logic part. Okay, now I am showing the demonstration of this robocar. First I switch on. We can see that Arduino is blinking and Bluetooth module is also blinking. Now I am showing you the MIT app by which I am going to operate this. First of all, Bluetooth on. Now this is the Bluetooth app that I have made. Here it is showing not connected. Click on it, SC05. Now it is showing connected. Now you can see when I am pressing the forward button, both the wheels are rotating in clockwise direction. By stop button it stops. Backward button, opposite direction it is rotating. Left button, only one wheel is rotating. Right button, another wheel is rotating. Now I am going to show you on the floor how it is working. Let's see.